What's the meaning of bus station? Bus station. Bus station.
Bus station. Bus station. A bus station is a designated location where buses stop to pick up and drop off passengers. It can be a simple roadside stop or a large terminal building with multiple bays and amenities such as waiting areas, restrooms, ticket offices, and shops. Bus stations are often located in urban areas and serve as an important transportation hub for commuters and travelers. They provide a convenient and affordable mode of public transportation for people who don't own cars or prefer not to drive. Overall, bus stations play a crucial role in facilitating the movement of people from one place to another.